Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim Magic Eden Airdrop token. I will show you the easiest and the most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to do is you have to simply go over to your Magic Eden app, and right here in the announcements tab, you simply going to scroll to the right where it's going to say claim me. Now this is where you are going to claim your Magic Eden token. So simply click on claim now, and once we do this, it's going to load us into the MI foundation where it's going to say eligible or already claimed. So to become eligible, what you are going to do is you are going to add your wallet from a seed phrase. So if you have a wallet that you have created from an imported seed phrase, you can import it into your Magic Eden wallet, and what that will do is it will make you eligible enough to get the Magic Eden token. And in the case that you have already done that, like me, I have already claimed my Magic Eden token, so it might show you that error. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to claim Magic Eden airdrop token. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.